Here's Johnny.
Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razors Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. Looks like some olive oil cap in this blue box. Well, please give us a like, share, subscribe, all that jazz helps to grow the channel. Well, it's 12 degrees this morning and summer's at an end. Of course, this Friday will be kind of like the last day in August. Looks like the temperature might get up to 27. So this is pretty well the last weekend for any attempt at getting into the pool, which means the yard starts being taken down next week. All our growth will be coming to an end very shortly. The mildew is starting to get out of control. I mean, just look at them, they're all white. Right, this is, oh look, another giant zucchini. Well, I say giant, I mean, it wasn't here yesterday. Look at that, it grows so fast. Right, well, let's get down to the end and see what we can see. And yes, all the massive amount of squash growing out of the compost pile. And yeah, there was a weird one growing, I think. Oh yeah, look at you. You were just a little ball yesterday. Just a tiny little ball, and look at you today. Well, we're gonna let that one get bigger, because I'm not sure if it is a zucchini. Because of the greenish tint on it. Very strange indeed. We'll let it grow. A compost plant. And of course, all our tomatoes that we just kind of like planted to get some green back here and maybe have one or two in salads, which we did this year, because I'm not supposed to eat tomatoes. And our peppers came in very handy. Very handy for all the pickling that we did. Still have some peppers in there. Just completely ran out of jars. I mean, I have a few jars of odd shapes and sizes, you know, some jam jars left over, those tiny little ones. Was like the 250s and the 125s. Milliliters, by the way, folks. Oh my, yes, everything is starting to die off, eh? Look at this. Just coming down. All right, let's walk down here and have a look at our basil. Yeah, picked the plant that yesterday for some aglio e olio. And we checked for sneaky zucchinis. Oh, there's one growing there. We also picked some zucchinis off this. And our beans. I'm picking over those plants today too. Fry up some green beans and some olive oil and some garlic. And then simmer it with some soy sauce. Very delicious. I think that'll go very handy with whatever I choose to have for dinner. Of course, it's Friday, so I usually watch a little bit of Friday Night Tights. So we'll see what we decide to do. Either way, we got to get in here and pick those. That's the problem with the garden. You got to keep picking it. Especially those beans. You got to keep picking the beans. And when you're picking your zucchinis and squash off that, the plant immediately signals it starts growing another one or increasing the size of the next one. Yep. And if we tape this tomorrow, this one will be massive. If I haven't cut it off by the end of the day. Yes, well, let's go down here with our wonderful, massive amount of kale. That'll continue to grow, slowing growth as the temperature continues to drop. 12 degrees last night. Yes, it'll go up to 25 today, and it'll go up to 27 tomorrow. But the overnights are still in the mid-teens, and after that, poof, back down to mid to low 20s. Last week of August looks like. Well, it's quite the sight. The sun is just coming up. It's after 7 o'clock in the morning. Summer's almost near an end. And we've accomplished what we never thought we could this year, which is all kinds of growth. Oh my goodness me. I just spotted something. Seriously? Look at the size of this zucchini. I wasn't there yesterday. And this little fella here, you see how all wrinkled he is? I don't think that got pollinated. That's how fast these ones are growing. Grows to that size and then decides, oh, I never got pollinated, so I'm just gonna rot off now. Because you can tell the difference. Look at that one, and look at this one. Very different. Well, looks like I got some picking to do. Oh, wait, I think we can hear the music from the front. Yes, let's get up there and have a look. Every once in a while, look at this giant. Didn't need this. Yes, let's get to the front already. Let's toss this over. We can hear the music. All right, let's go. And here we are at the front, looking at our chicks and peas. Past the lamb's breath. A little bit of lettuce growing. Hostas. All that lavender I never harvested. And our morning glories growing over everything like they should. Matting all the way back in the box. Now let's look at Butch 2.0. How you doing, Butch? Look at you. Another flower starting opening up. Wow, the critters are going to be all over this plant picking the seeds off. Oh, they just hang off that upside down any way they can. They just love getting seeds off those. And down here we have our, what might have been a pumpkin plant, but the only fruit we had off of it broke off the stem. And let's look up at our giant sunflower. Up, 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 and up, and up. Oh, look. Well, not a very attractive sunflower. Maybe it's because it blooms so late. Here we can see our bee doing some work on that. Let's zoom in on the bee. Yummy, yum, yum. Now I've seen a recipe where you can actually take a young sunflower head like that before it starts to seed. I think that's the way it is. You can look up the video. But yeah, cut off the edges and fry it up. And apparently it's edible. Fry it up in good oil, obviously. Sunflower oil? I don't know. And our other sunflower here, the cousin to Butch 2.0, is finally starting to open. And I see it's got some yellow leaves on this one as opposed to the colorful ones. Well, they're kind of yellowish, but they got that dark hue, nice dark hue there. But I'm not seeing that in this one. Well, we'll find out when it opens. And of course, all the morning glories have completely matted and covered the sides of the front porch, climbing up the lattice that was put there. And here, of course, they are spreading and climbing over the remnants of the bird-shit berry bush. If you've watched the show earlier in the year, you would have seen us making jam. Well, actually, I don't think we posted a video this year of making the jam. I did record a video. I got that sitting in a queue somewhere. I wonder if we'll put that together after we finish our summer footage of all the growth. Oh, looks like one of the plants made its way through a little crevasse at the end of the overhang. Okay. Well, thank you all for coming out and having a look and an update on the growth of the garden. I don't know if we'll get one out tomorrow. Things are piling up. We have to start tearing down the backyard. We have a storage tent to replace. So many things to do, so little time. And of course, doing the videos for the daily updates takes a good chunk every day. Well, again, thank you all for coming out. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Here's Johnny.